For all the crocheters hoping to learn to knit who have never made it past the casting on, I'm super happy to tell you that there is an easier way and it uses your beloved crochet hook. This is called the crochet cast on method and I'm going to show you how to do it. To start the crochet cast on method, set your knitting needles aside for a minute and go ahead and grab your yarn and start off by creating a slip knot just like you would if you were going to be crocheting. And you want to use a hook, a crochet hook that is similarly sized to the knitting needle that you're casting onto. So for instance, I'm using a 5.0 millimeter needle, knitting needle, and I'm using a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. So you want either a slightly larger crochet hook or one of the exact same size. If you go slightly larger, then your cast on edge will be slightly stretchier. And put that slip knot onto your crochet hook and pull it tight just as if you were going to be crocheting. At this point, grab your knitting needles and hold them alongside one another. So you've got your crochet hook right next to your knitting needle, and this end here is your working yarn end. So pull your working yarn underneath your knitting needle, hold them next to each other, and then wrap it around the top and back to the underside. This is going to allow you the tension you need to use that crochet hook to pull a loop through the initial slip knot. Wrap it around again and pull another loop. Around again, pull another loop, and continue to do that until you have your desired number of cast on stitches. At that point, when you reach the end, you're simply going to pull that off of your crochet hook, take this loop, and place it right back up onto your knitting needles. Pull it tight, and you've got your stitches all cast on and ready to start knitting.